Fronius has been working for decades on making decisive improvements to welding and on shifting limits in the process. Now, we've successfully developed a revolutionary welding system yet again. This time, we made a radically new start. The result? A welding apparatus platform that brings together many different advantages. Revolutionary ease of operation, individual adaptability, with the very best welding properties. In short, the first ever welding system with intelligence. The TPSI combines the experience of many welding experts in an intelligent way. Its novel communications concept makes it really simple for users to configure the machine. You'll find your own way intuitively to the parameters you want, even with your gloves on. This makes the TPSI much more than just a tool. Instead, it's an intelligent welding partner. Welding with it is a unique and exciting experience with the stablest arc ever. This is welding in a radically new dimension. The central functions of the TPSI have been structured completely newly. The high-speed networking makes communication between the system's components 200 times faster than before. More information from the arc is processed, and the welding parameters are analyzed in even greater detail. The active wire control significantly compensates for the influence of torch standoff distance on the welding result. The arc becomes dramatically more stable, and the penetration is much more constant. Welding has never been as simple, and superior quality never so quick to achieve. The ignition energy adapts intelligently to the wire temperature. What this means is spatter-free ignition every time, time after time. The cooling system of the torches is so ingenious that after welding for 1.5 minutes at 500 amps, you can touch the gas nozzle without your gloves on. Thanks to its many adjustment options, the TPSI will always give you the best arc for whatever task you're tackling. The Fronius labs are where the welding tasks of the future are being solved, and the DNA of the arc decoded. This unrivaled know-how ensures that you will always have the very best arc to work with. This makes the TPSI amazingly versatile. It adapts completely individually to whatever welding challenge confronts it. One moment, it's still a standard welding system. A few moments later, and it is turned into a high-performing pulsed arc power source. A machine that's actually many different ones at once. It's never been done before. With all its many possible configurations, the TPSI can be precisely adapted to users' specific needs. All the many details have one and the same goal: making welding simpler and better. The TPSI is the starting shot for the intelligent revolution in welding technology. A real quantum leap. The future has already begun. Follow us. We'll take you there.